In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to receive money via Payoneer. After you log in into your Payoneer account using your credentials, you can provide payment details by sharing your Payoneer email address, phone number, or virtual address in the sender. This information allows them to initiate the payment to your Payoneer account. If you're using the Payoneer app, you can receive funds directly through it. Ensure you have notifications enabled to receive alerts about incoming payments. You can receive payment also via PayPal, bank accounts, and credit cards. Regularly check your Payoneer account or app for incoming payments and verify the sender's details and the amount received. Once the funds are received, you can manage them within your Payoneer account. Transfer funds to your bank account, use them for online purchases, or keep them in your Payoneer balance. By following these steps, you can efficiently receive payments to Payoneer via email, phone number, virtual address, or through the Payoneer app. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.